So this is the development board running the target software. We power it on. And here what we want to do is use the vTarget jumper, disconnect it and connect our current sensing resistor to make the current flow through this small resistor. So we power off, we remove the jumper, and we have this little interface board so that we connect this red wire to the vTarget. And then we also have this auxiliary output port that we use for experimentation purposes, and it's used to output markers that allow us to evaluate performance. We have an instrumented version of this software. And these are the audio RCA connectors. It's a standard cable that goes to the input of the sound card in the main PC. So we power on again, and now the target is running the software, and this signal is going to the sound card. And here, if we look at the screen capture of the audio editor, capturing a fragment of the trace, the signal is just a few millivolts, so we need to amplify it a little bit to be able to see. And this is all for demonstration purposes. The actual experimentation is all automated. In here we see one channel shows the markers that the instrumented version of the program places, and those markers tell us where different fragments of the program are executing. At the bottom we have the power trace, which is the measurement of power being consumed. We're observing here there's an important difference at the point where a different fragment begins. So the goal again of the project is, by observing the power trace only, by looking at that signal, we should be able to tell which fragment is executing and thus reconstruct the trace.